That's why I the video. So if your Binance account is not a verified one, just check in the comment section. There is a video that can really help you get a verified Binance account. And also I'll show you how you can just be sending money from your Binance app or your Binance wallet to a friend account, okay, or Binance wallet, okay. So from Binance to Binance, I will show you how you can just make that transaction very soon right here on this channel, or you can just check in the comment section. Maybe the video may be ready and then you can just check it out and know how you can do that, okay. So if you're new, subscribe and like the video, and let me show you how you can deposit or top up your wallet on Binance. Let's start with it. Let's go. All right, so first I will recommend you download the Binance app, okay, from App Store or Play Store. Just download Binance app on your device, okay. Now when it opens like this, just look down here. We have the home, market, trade, features, and then wallet, okay. Just tap on trade and please like the video, and just look at the top. We have P2P. Just tap on P2P right here. For you to deposit, make sure you are at P2P at the top right here, and look down here. We have buy, we have sell, okay. Make sure you are at buy. After that, you can see we have USDT here. Just tap on it, okay. So when you tap on it, so just give you some coins available on Binance that you can just make a deposit, okay. So we have USDT, which is dollars, okay, and we have the BTC, FDUSD, anyone that you wish to just deposit into your Binance account or your Binance wallet, you select that one. So since I want it as dollars, I just tap on the USDT, and then you see USDT right here, okay. After that, look down or below it, you can see we have amount. Just tap on the amount. You can enter the amount that you want to deposit right there, and then we have payment method. Just tap on it, and then here you have options, the one that you want to use to make a deposit into your account. So we have mobile money, MTN mobile money, we have MOMO, we have Vodafone Cash, and other banks right there. For me, I will be selecting MTN MOMO. So just look through and then select your choice and tap on confirm down here. So for you to deposit on your Binance wallet, you need people to help you do that by depositing the USDT into your account, and then you just give them your Ghana cedi, okay. So taking this for example, we have only believe right here, this person, okay. So when you look down here, this guy called the only believe, $1 is equal to 12.29, okay, 12.29. So look down here and you can see other rates, and you can see 12.31, and we have 12.32, which means that as you go down, the price goes higher, okay. So let me say this: if you see that there is a higher price as you are buying the USDT, don't go for that one, okay. Don't go for that one, go for the cheaper one so that you can save something, okay. So look for the list. We have 12.29, we have 12.30. So just go to, or just select the 12.29 so that you can just save something. Every coin counts, okay. So this person called the only believe has 478 USDT, okay, and then his limit is within 300 cedis to 1,200 cedis, okay. So if let's say you want to deposit a USDT of 500, his quantity is just 478, and it won't be possible. And the limit in Ghana cedis for that one is just between 300 to 1,200. So if yours is 100, you can't go for this. If yours is more than 1,200, which is 1,300, 1,400, 2,000, you can't go for only believe. Just look down here and you can see we have who again, we have Buscando 122. His own is 200 to 1,000 Ghana cedis. So as of these things, this is why, or one of the things that will either increase the dollar rate, okay. So you can see $1 here is 12.30, but it may be within the range whereby you want to deposit onto your account, okay. So limit right here at Buscando is 200 to 1,000 Ghana cedis, but the first one is between a limit of 300 to 1,200, okay. So just look through the one that you wish to deposit, you just go for that one. So let me go to Humble Bit 1, okay, because I want to deposit an amount of 150 Ghana cedis or within the range, okay. So I'll just tap on the buy right here at Humble Bit 1. So just look through the amount that you wish to deposit onto your Binance. You select that person by just tapping on buy, okay. So when just tap on it like this, first like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from here right here on this channel. More videos will be coming right here on this channel as well. So just take in the comment section for more, and I will leave more on the screen. All right, so let's continue with it from this side. Okay, so you can see we have buy fiat and we have buy crypto. Okay, just select buy fiat and then enter the amount in Ghana cedis. So let's say I want to deposit the amount of, okay, so the limit is between 150 to 1000, so I should enter an amount which is between that. Okay, so let me say 170, okay, sorry, 180. So 180, I'll receive an amount of 14.63 USDT in my account. Okay, since $1 is equal to 12.30. Okay, as you said at the top, $1 is equal to 12.30. So 180 Ghana cedis is equal to 14.63 USDT. So let's say I want to make it 15. So let me just change this value right here and make it, okay, so I think so I'll get this. I think 185 Ghana cedis, I'll receive a quantity of 15.04. But sometimes that one too doesn't matter. Okay, so after selecting the amount right here, you can also check for the terms and conditions. Okay, for the person that you're buying from him, he's saying that only MTN subscribers. Okay, so always check, look down here, and then just learn something about the person, what the person do. Okay, so only MTN subscribers. You follow the procedures below. Drop your mobile money number, allow cash out, wait for the prompt, and approve the transaction. No agent and merchant are allowed. Okay, fast payment, fast release. So this is just something that would just tell you what you would do. Okay, so we are just going to follow the procedures as he has said. You drop your mobile money number, you allow cash out, wait for prompt, and then you approve the transaction. And this may differ, okay, depending on the bank that you selected, whether Vodafone or whatever. It will just differ. Okay, so now after that, okay, let's tap on refresh price and then let's see. Okay, so just price change from, okay, so I think there is a price change somewhere. Okay, just because we were right here waiting for one or two things or learning one or two things. Okay, so after doing that, selecting the amount, I mean entering your amount right there, just tap on buy USDT. Okay, so just tap on make payment down here. So we are just going to allow cash out as the person said. Okay, so let's drop our MOMO number right here. Okay, so you just go to chat and then you enter your MOMO number and then allow cash out right there. So as you enter your number, you send it to the person and then you allow cash out. So after entering my number, let me say, or let me tell the person that I have allowed cash out. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. It's just a communication between you and the person that you're going to do it. Okay, so now you can see a pop-up concerning that one. Okay, so let me just enter. So we all witness that it is Rina Analysia. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's the name as the person gave right here. Okay, so make sure you just follow that one and then you can just tell the person that you are done. Okay, so instead of you telling the person that you are done, tap on the transferred notify seller, tap on it down at the top here, transferred notify seller. Okay, so you can see success on the screen, success on the screen, success on the screen, which means that it is done. All right, so 95% of the sales orders have been completed within 2 minutes. All right, so let's go to chat. Okay, you have marked the order as paid. Please wait. Okay, so your payment has been received. The asset USDT will be sent to your account. Okay, so in short time you receive the USDT in your account. You receive that one. Okay, so we are waiting for Humble Bit to release the USDT into my account. And as Binance is saying, your payment has been received, the asset USDT will be sent to your account. So now the money is not with Humble again, but now with Binance, and Binance will just move that into my account very soon. Okay, so where do we go again? At the top left corner, just tap on the sign, on the time sign. You can see the order completed, so nothing to do here. Just tap on that one. Okay, you can see order completed. Okay, then let's go back again. Let's go to home. Okay, and it is 11.66 USDT in my account when I opened. Now let me refresh. Okay, and you can see now it is 20.72 USDT in my account right now. So this is how you can just deposit on your Binance account. I'll show you how you can just transfer to a friend as well. So let's say you want to transfer from Binance to Binance. There is a procedure I will show you in the next video on the screen, or check in the comment section for a video on that one. Thanks for watching. Check on the screen for more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Stay alive and bye for now.